Less than $3 and only 5 minutes.
Hey, this is Audra with Cooking Couture Atlanta, and we are about to make some tuna real quick, real cute, impressive, and good. Something really fast and inexpensive.
Okay, grab you a bowl and a fork, something really easy. Take all of this tuna out of the packets, get it out of the corners. I want you to add mayo. If you get a fancy mayo, makes it even better. Then you're going to add a squirt of mustard. Whatever flavor you want with that mustard, do that. Then we're going to add some relish. I like sweet relish with mine. Okay, so my tuna turned out great. It's a great little brunch snack I got going here with this habanero cheese and this cranberry cheddar cheese. So I just straight put the whip on this little pack of Tuna Creations.